This is about the true struggle of putting a TWA in a ponytail. Alright, so now I'm just going to comb up my hair. Like, you're seeing this line because I had on something on my head. So this is how high my hair is. I did this look on my Instagram live, so make sure you follow me on there. And then I'm going to go in with my got2b glue and rub it up. Yes. So you guys, this is where I'm so nervous doing this because I did it one time accidentally for church, and now I feel this pressure to do it. You can do it again. Alright, so let's just catch up what we can. Alright, so on everything I will catch up, guys, because my work a bit of ear. So on everything I will can catch. Alright. So I look up. So now this is where, and my hair is heavily moisturized, by the way. I have a lot of oils in there because it colored. What my do-rag? No, the jacket enough for now, for later.
The jacket, grandma gave me the jacket.
You go to the house?
Yes, by accident. I didn't know where you were. I started over there because it's Osan, and I'm like, okay, walking distance from Osana's house.
Good, because I wasn't just yeah, thanks. It not done like how it did for church. Chantel, why not doing?
Where's your spongy? You have an spongy?
No, this is it, yes.
Oh, if we need them, we'll bring a spongy for you.
This is all I did.
Several packs of sponges. All the other packs.
This is what I did the morning.
Wow. You can do it. I believe in you. You gonna make it long though?
I don't think so.
Why not?
Because I would have had to pre-plait it.
Oh, to stretch it.
No, pre-plait this.
Oh.
The hair.
Oh. When you get that? I'm sorry.
No, ask.
When you get that?
Long time. From, yeah.
You did buy the one?
No, it's different times.
So it worked?
So I need to tie this down.
Like use piece one string on it and just like tie it on it.
Tie on what? This?
Yeah, like put your hands on it and just use that nice.
I have no idea. Like to catch it up, so.
Yes.
Oh no, I don't have nothing like that.
See a piece of the ear, just take out one strand out of it.
Under that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you just tie it around it.
Yeah,
And that's dry if you can do. It's pretty good, where can it?
In wipes?
Yeah.
In a hand, oh, I use it as something for stand up pan.
You don't have to share the color.
He did?
Okay.
Shit, my fingernail. How much for do? Like this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, like
Should they ever nice something on?
shit. Give me a rope.
Wait, let me tie him down.
Maybe?
Okay.
It's makeup looking very nice.
I know, right?
Imagine it
It's
with the hair.
alive. That's why I want to catch it up because I was going to put on a wig and I was like, nah, let me just catch it up.
So we're gonna do
No, I'm a rock. Which tie that on?
naughty.
I'm sorry. I'm going to throw this it now. Okay. Thank you. I'm very sorry. Auntie Osana never come in here. You did know that?
No, you never know that that's that we can stop with the Johnny something there now.
I feel so much pressure. On Sunday.
I tried to get it how I did
Yeah, but on Sunday it did just happen like.
Yes, there? Come. Okay, there. I'm coming.
Never go through so much pressure Sunday.
Relax. Woosa, woosa.
My ears are itch.
Ooh, you know what would be nice? Oh gosh, you know, some you want to send anyone something to friend you, but we never think to send it to you. But we never follow through to send it. I got this braid, the goddess braid. To the card. Okay.
Also, I'm here one comb.
Why you do this?
Hold on, it's on here. The oil on the dresser. The oil on the dresser.
Daddy one?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.